How to make clove tea. Ingredients: 1 to 2 whole cloves, 1 cup boiling water, and optional honey, lemon, or cinnamon. Instructions: add the cloves to a mug or teapot. Pour the boiling water over the cloves. Cover and let steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea, removing the cloves. Add honey, lemon, or cinnamon to taste. Enjoy! Some tips to remember. For a stronger flavor, use 3 to 4 cloves. If you don't have whole cloves, you can use ground cloves. Add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves to the boiling water. You can also add other herbs and spices to your clove tea. Be sure to drink clove tea in moderation. Bye! Thank you for watching!